Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're gonna continue working on part 3 of this KNR house. Let's get started. So in the previous video, we were able to add in more furnitures, and also we added some tags. For example, the kitchen area, living area, and dining area. And here we're gonna continue working on this. But first, let's start in with the stairs. I want to add the stairs. So go to architecture and click on stairs. Let's save this for now. And so our base level is level 1 up to level 2. So here run is already selected. We just need to add in the stairs. So I want it to be here. And as you can see, there is 8 remaining. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna divide it to 9 each. So I'm gonna click it here and go to the other side and click the rest. And we are going to edit this. So I'm gonna expand this more, especially with the landing and also on this side. So here I just want it to be equal enough. So this is 1800, and let's put this one to 1800 as well. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually move it backwards like that. Move this one backwards. And let's click finish. And once you click finish, I'm gonna delete the railing. We only need the railing for the stairs on this side. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add in the floor. So click on floor, edit type, duplicate, floor number 1, press OK, edit this type. I'm gonna put it 200. And this one, let's add in concrete. And then OK, and then OK. I'm going to use pick line. So just the outside of the property, so the perimeter. And I'm gonna click finish. And then again, I'm gonna go back and click on floor again, edit this type, duplicate, floor number 2, change the materials. I'm gonna choose concrete lightweight, press OK, and then OK. And I'm gonna click on the outside again. And then I'm gonna add in the others. So here, I'm gonna make sure that I'm gonna do this, TR to trim. So now the dimension is, I'm gonna make this 1800. For this one, 1800 as well. So you could actually just use an offset, so that 1800. Here I'm gonna extend it a little bit, so 3500 will be enough. And then here I want to do it, I want to extend it to 4500. And then here 1800. So after that, click finish. And we forgot to click this, so I'm just gonna quickly click this and we're good to go. Let's look at it at 3D. We forgot to change this to up to level 2. So I'm just gonna quickly do that. Click apply. And it's coming all together now. So we already have our stairs. And then next thing we're gonna do is to add in the floor for the second floor. So let's go to level 2. And then here underlay is on. So if you don't see this, just change the base to level 1. And if you get confused, put it to none. But for right now, we need our base to be on level 1 so that we could see the outline. And then next, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna click floor, edit type. We're gonna duplicate this. This will be floor number 3 and change this. We're gonna put wood and let's choose cherry. And then we're gonna click pick lines. We're gonna click it from the inside, so the exterior or the inside of the exterior wall. And after that, click finish, don't attach. Let's look at it. It will look like this. So don't worry, we're gonna create an opening here. So let's go now to level 2. First, we're gonna add in the wall. So click wall and then look for exterior wall number 1. So here we're gonna recreate the walls similar to that. And make sure this is all connected up to level 3. So now let's start adding the wall. So we're just gonna follow. And then let's click it here and all the way to A1. Press escape and then escape again. Let's look at it at 3D. So as at the moment it looks like this. Go back to level 2. Now we don't need the underlay. So go back to underlay under properties and click to none and then apply. Easiest way to add an opening for the floor is to click on shaft opening, and then here I'm just gonna click on rectangle and let's do it like that. Click finish and let's look at it at 3D. And as you can see, the opening shaft, open it up. You can change it downwards or upwards depending on what you want, but let's just put it down like that. We only need the floor to be open. Okay, so let's go back to level 2. So we have this opened. We will need to add railings here. So here, I'm just gonna change this to glass panel. And then let's add in the railing. So I'm gonna change this to glass panel as well. And let's add in a railing right here. Click finish, and we can see it on 3D. And as you can see, it's continuous now. Okay, so now let's go back again to level 2. Now that's done here, we could add in. So let's click on wall and look for interior wall. And we're gonna begin by adding a wall right here. So I'm still not gonna attach it yet. And then up to B2, and let's add a wall right here as well. And I'm just gonna quickly go to underlay and put in base range for level 1, and I just want to align the wall here. So I'm gonna align that wall and also this wall right here. And then I'm gonna attach it. And before I turn off the underlay, I'm gonna attach the wall right here as well. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. And then now I could turn off the underlay and then attach this one as well. So here I'm gonna click wall again. I'm gonna add a wall at B5, and then in the middle of this around 4,000, I'm gonna create this kind of way. And then I'm gonna type in TR to trim this and then extend that. Click on wall again. It's going to be an interior wall. So I'm gonna add A6 to D6. And then I'm gonna look for the midpoint of that wall, and I'm gonna add in a wall to separate this two. Here I'm going to add in another wall. So in around the middle of A1 and A2, so 1800 from this wall, I'm gonna add in this one, and here this will be the ensuite. And then I'm going to add another wall on A3 to B3, like that. I'm also gonna add in a wall in between here, and I'm just gonna extend this by using TR, trim and extend this wall. So we could actually move this. I'm gonna move this one like this. So around 1500 from this line, from the B grid. and this will be our walk-in closet, and then we have our ensuite here. We're also going to have a washroom for these three rooms. So I'm gonna add in a wall right here as well. And this wall will be 2000. And this one, I'm gonna pull it up a little bit. So I want to align this one. And then this one, I'm gonna pull down. The reason I'm pulling it down so that we can attach a door here. So I'm gonna click door. And I'm just gonna add in our basic door. So I'm gonna attach it like that. Like this. This door can be attached here or here, but I might as well add it in this direction in that location. And then as you know, we have another room here that we could add in another ensuite, and then we could have a nice big area here. So I'm gonna click wall, and I'm gonna add a wall right here. And here, this one should be around 2500. And around 4300. And we're gonna add in a door right here as well. So I could add a door right here, a door here as well, and a door facing like that. And I want to add a door right here as well. So the walk-in closet is turned like this. We can also add in another closet here if we want later on. It's because we have a huge space here, so might as well we could add it. Let's add in some closet here as well. So I'm gonna click on wall and interior wall, add type. We're gonna duplicate that. And this one, let's put in the thickness to 100. Press OK and then OK. And we're just gonna add a walk-in closet like this. So around 800 will be good. And then we're gonna add it here as well. So that's 800. And let's add it here as well. I made it short so that I could align it from this wall. So AL, and then now I just need to connect them. Okay. This could go from 800 as well. And lastly, we could add it here or in this area. So click on wall. Add a closet right here. And then let's add in the sliding door that we added earlier as well. So we have this one, and as you know, we could just click one and then increase the width later on. So now I'm adding this. I'm gonna press in CS. Sorry, I'm gonna press this and CS, and we could add it all like that. We could add two here and two like that. So actually what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna delete this for now. I want to have a closet from the outside and from the inside. So I'm gonna delete this, and I'm gonna use wall number 1. Do this, and I'm gonna TR trim, and let's add in wall number 2 interior. Don't attach it yet so that we could align it easily. And then as well here. So let's attach this. So AL, align it to this wall, and then keep on attaching all together. And then now let's add in the sliding door. Let's add two of them. So make it small. So like that. And then to finish off that, go to annotate and detail line. And we're just adding 2 lines. CS. So let's stop here for now and continue on the next video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video. Please hit like and subscribe. Feel free to comment down below.